Hello and welcome to SDN Tech Forum. Be excited. What I'm going to show you is simply going to blow away your mind. So, last few months, we are talking a lot about generative AI. I have done a couple of videos about ChatGPT, the secret sauce behind them, which is large language model. And then I have shown you how to use DALI E to generate some basic images. But today we are going to talk about a AI tool, which actually generates professional grade images with natural languages only, right? And that is called Midjourney. So as I gave you a little bit hint, what is Midjourney? Midjourney is generate images from natural language description called prompt, and it is similar to DALI E, which was really basic. The another competitor is Stable Fusion, right? So let's try it out. What you can do, you can go to like Google and search for Midjourney. And that's what I'm doing here. As you can see, you can click on Midjourney, or you can to sign in with Discord. So once you click with Midjourney, you are landed here. What you're seeing is tons of, I don't think it's a ASCII character, it's just like letters, secrets, right? And it's very interesting prompt. There are a couple of things available here. Get started, showcase, this eye icon, and then join with beta, sign in, right? Let's talk about, let's understand about a little bit first. So Midjourney is an independent research lab exploring new medium of thought and expanding the imaginative power of human species. It's a small self-funded team, and there are list of people who head it and research and engineering, etc. All right, very interesting prompt. So what's going on here? It's a mid-journey. I was curious to click on this eye icon, and as I click the eye icon, voila, right? All those beautiful images. So it's kind of like a decoded. Earlier it was encoded, encrypted, and as you click the eye is decoded, because with those prompts you are actually generating this kind of awesome images. All right, let's see what else we have. Before we go to get started, click on showcase, and that will take you to a page where community showcase, where people who are creating images is using Midjourney, they're showcasing their image. So let's scroll to it, and what is the interesting thing is, if you click on those showcase images, you will see what is the description or language, or uh, how it was created, because it was created using natural language, right? So here, as you can see, a Highland cow wearing Crocs. Voila. Let's find something more involved. As you can see, manga page with 4 panels. In one page, a painting of woman and man in city street. So a lot of description. As much as description you can put, that much things you can get, right? Or 4 frames and etc. And what you can do, you can just simply this. So this is showcase page. It gives you a nice idea how to create your images, right? Now let's go back. And if you want to get started, you want to create your own, what you can do, you can join the beta program, or we will talk about sign in a little later. So if you want to try it out, you should click on join on beta. But before we go there, let's look at what is it there in get started, right? So this is Midjourney documentation. It tells you how to get started, learn how to use Discord, and I'm sure some of you already know how to use Discord. It's a chat medium, and using Discord user guide. So get started is all the documentation about Midjourney. Okay, we want to join in the beta. As you click join in beta, you will be redirected to your Discord. And if you don't have the Discord account, I advise you to go ahead and create a Discord login, because when you try to do join in or sign in as a beta, what it is prompting is you have been invited to join this channel, Discord channel. I have already accepted the invite, and that actually lands me here, SDN Tech Forum, and I am in their Midjourney server, right? Within this Midjourney server, there are a lot of rooms, but let's first understand getting started. Obviously, whenever you come to a Discord, you should first read the community rule. And rules are not different. It's like don't be a jerk. Don't use our tool to make images that could upset or cause drama, like adult content, etc. Be respectful to developer. So pretty usual rules, right? And then let's go to get started. It tell you how to use the tool, right? As you can see, to expand the community here, to how to use, to create images, go to one of the newbie bot channels. All right, so you can see there are newbie rooms. Some rooms are active here. Type backslash imagine and then whatever you want, right? So let's copy this because this will be your bot prompt. The bot will send you 4 images in 60 seconds. Click numbered button underneath to get upscale or variation. So bot will create image. You can also upscale or you can ask for variation. If you don't see the channel, please restart your doc. Okay. Once your trial has ended, become a paid membership, and we will talk about the paid membership at the very end, right? So I think this is very easy, pretty easy. Go to a newbie room and type imagine and then your prompt. Before we go there, let's see what's going on, where what people are doing, right? So let's go to showcase, and as you can see, there are these pictures. All these pictures people are generating, asking for a feedback. We have daily themes and blend showcase. So people are like showing all kind of their work right here. Get inspired and trial support. So let's go ahead and have our image created, right? We are just itching to try this out. As you can see, a lot of nice pictures, such a detailed and lovely pictures people have created. So let me jump to present, all right? And I'm gonna come here and follow the instructions. Imagine, okay. Now what? You can, the more detail you put, the more better picture or picture as per your expectations or realistic picture you will get, right? So I'm not an artist, I'm not a digital artist, unfortunately. I love art, but I'm not the one. So I want some detailed description, and how I can get that, right? I can obviously um, take a break, try to be creative and come up with that, but I'm running short on time. So what I can do, I can go back to a generative AI, text generative AI, which is our friend Chat GPT, and I can ask them or him to generate a description for my scene, right? And exactly what I did behind the scene. So now, as you can see, we have the bot prompt imagine, and from there on, I'm going to prompt it with my description, right? So this is, we are asking to create a peaceful scene of a person sitting peacefully in a small fishing boat by a holy river Ganga, and then there are some scenery described, right? So let's go ahead and hit enter and see what's going on here. Accept TOS, okay, accepted. You accepted the rule. 4 new messages. Those are not my messages. Excited to have part of Midjourney beta. Okay, go to the channel with your bot, type imagine. Okay, it's pretty much the same thing. You're invited to join a server. So where is my images? Because bot is again giving me the same thing what we read, right? So it's due to extreme demand, we cannot provide a free trial right now. Please subscribe or try again tomorrow. Not a surprise, right? Because every time this kind of tools are released, thousand of people, it make thousand and millions of people interested, right? So everyone is trying, and obviously this team is running out of resources. So what we can do, we can go to subscription page, and before we go there, you can see all these things are created using just the description. You, I, I, I wish I can show you live, but you need to believe that these pictures are coming based on your description, and based on that, what you can do, you can upscale or you can ask for variation. Let me see, this is not my description, but can I ask for a variation? So there is a lot you need to spend time and try to understand how it works, but looks like subscription required, because pretty much everything what we want to do is not available as a trial basis. And I'm sure all these people, maybe they are just lucky because uh, they got access to resource. Like here you can see someone posted a description and it says waiting to start, right? And I am hoping that this will, it's 0%. Okay. The best part of Midjourney is you can actually specify what kind of lens you want. As you can see, this person is asking for a lens, what kind of DSLR camera you want to use. So it's very photorealistic, right? You have seen this. It was, the prompt was submitted from 0% to 93%, and picture is getting better and better and better, right? And you can actually ask for what camera angle, what lens, and everything. The one most important thing about Midjourney is it has learned, or it is pre-trained on some of the artists like Pablo Picasso, Ron Gove, and you can ask that I want their style of painting or their style of portrait, and it can help you come up with that. So this is, I think this is a game changer for sure. So final thing, let's talk about subscription plan. Here you can use bot code subscribe, and here there are the basic plan, $10 monthly plan, $30 standard plan, and $60 pro plan. What it gives you, it gives you the resources, right? Among the algorithm, it also gives you the resources, which is fast GPU time and extra GPU time you can purchase, and all those things, because this is resource heavy. Obviously it is a beautiful algorithm, but it is also resource hungry, and hence when you buy subscription plan, you have dedicated resource. So I hope you are as excited as me of discovering this tool or this application. And if you start creating your beautiful pictures, please showcase and Midjourney showcase with community. And if you feel like, you can put send us a picture and put that in comment section. We will love to see your work.